how to avoid the next FTX. This one is potentially next. So yeah, guys, I want to show you guys in today's video how to avoid the next FTX. What signs are you gonna look for when attempting to get into cryptocurrency? So I'm gonna show you very obvious patterns which have been showing since all year and previous year. So hi guys, and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and the cryptocurrency technical analysis. In today's cryptocurrency video, so like I said before, we're going to be talking about what patterns we're going to be talking about today. So yeah, guys, from what you're seeing here, you got here Celsius, you got here Voyager, you have here FTX, and you got here BlockFi. Looking at these four companies, what is the first pattern that they have in common? Obviously, they all went bankrupt, but the second one is they offered very high APY interest rates. So when you go into Celsius right here, you go into the reward rates. You're seeing here Bitcoin has a 4% APY, Ethereum 5%, Chainlink 4%, Tether 5%, and so on. Even stable coins, 10% to 13%. You go here into Voyager. Got the Voyager, almost the same thing. Offers high yields, USDC. This was for the July month, around this year. This is supposed to be 9%, Bitcoin 5%, Ethereum 4%, Polkadot 12%, Aave 30%, and so on. Even Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. You go into FTX, the same thing. But this one, look at this. All crypto and fiat up to $10,000, 8%. All crypto and fiat, 5% right here. All funds after 10,000 up to $100,000. Same thing, bankrupt. BlockFi. This one was the first one before Celsius, Voyager, and FTX. So in regards of high APY. So here, BlockFi, you have Bitcoin 6%, Ethereum 5%, Litecoin 5%, USDC 8%, and so on. So it is very important, guys, when you're investing in cryptocurrencies, to first have decentralized custodial of those cryptocurrencies. All of these companies are centralized companies. The principles of cryptocurrency is to have your own custodial access to those cryptocurrencies. When you deposit cryptocurrencies into these platforms, you are not controlling your crypto. These companies are controlling your crypto. So the reasons why they're motivating you to get your crypto into these centralized exchanges, first, obviously, is because of the APY, but that's the risk. That's the first reason. That's one of the principal reasons for having cryptocurrencies there, to potentially create more APY and supposedly be safe, which is not. That's the point. And the other thing about this cryptocurrency market is that there's not that much regulation. So you have companies like Celsius, Voyager, FTX, BlockFi getting advantage of high APYs into people who do not value decentralization and want to, and obviously take advantage of you, the people who are just getting into cryptocurrencies. Because most people, when they get into the cryptocurrency market, they are thinking, oh my gosh, let's get this money. This is gonna be a quick rich scheme, which is not. It is not. But they make it so obvious to go ahead and put your cryptocurrencies into these cryptocurrencies exchanges. Remember, guys, when you're looking into these cryptocurrency exchanges, you have to look at it for just buying and selling. But in the meantime, when you're holding, you're supposed to take that crypto and put it into your own custodial wallet. So you have two options when you're taking custodial of your cryptocurrencies. You have the hard wallet, which will be this one. I'm gonna show you guys quickly. Ledger Nano. This is how you take care of your crypto. You buy one of these Ledger Nano ledgers, or there's so many options. But for example, you can go into the ledger.com website. You can buy the Trezor. There's so many options. The link will be in the description below where you can get also the ledger. So, but very important, guys, if you're gonna buy this ledger, buy it directly from the website. Don't buy it secondhand or from the Amazon website, eBay website, Best Buy store, because you never know if someone attempted to put some malicious software when selling those second-handed Ledger Nanos or Trezors or so on wallets. So very important, if you're gonna buy this, make sure it's directly from the Ledger Nano website, which will be on the description below of this video. It is very important for you guys to have one of these, or you can have a free one. The free one will be creating your own wallet. You can go literally, you can just type it out like free cold wallets. The cold wallet means that it will be a completely internet-based wallet. So you will have it on your device itself, hardware wallet. You will have it in person, physically. So you can go into here. I'm gonna show you guys where to get it. So here's a Coinbase wallet where you can create your own digital wallet. So yeah, guys, there are different wallets you can create. Like for example, the most common one, the MetaMask wallet. This is an app where you can download MetaMask, and there you will create your own cryptocurrency wallet, and it will be free in this case. But the reason why I recommend a hardware wallet, it's because it's more secure. So I'm just going to summarize because it's just there's a lot of information. So in regards of wallets, the best one will be getting into hardware wallets. Will be hardware, look at as physical hardware, and the cold wallet will be the almost every single time the free one. Like for example, MetaMask. You can go into the Coinbase free wallet app also. Here, Coinbase wallet. And that's also another way where you can download the app. It will be this one, the crypto wallet app in that case. That would be the free one, but I recommend buying a Ledger Nano or a Trezor wallet. They're more secure in summary. So yeah, guys, when you're investing in cryptocurrencies, you have to make sure you are your own bank. And also, if you would like tutorials for how to set up a Ledger Nano S and Trezor wallets, you can literally type it out in YouTube. Ledger Nano S setups. There's a lot of tutorials you can just look at, and also the Trezor wallets. You just have to put your attention to put your time to learning this. It's not that hard. It's not hard. It's something that you have to do to avoid these kinds of scams. Like for example, Celsius, Voyager, FTX, and BlockFi. And look, out of all of these companies, the least scammiest one that I looked at first was the FTX one. But remember, guys, the same patterns in regards of high yield rates leads to most likely bankruptcy, and that's what Celsius faced. That's what Voyager faced. That's what FTX faced. That's what BlockFi faced. So in summary, if you're seeing an exchange offering high APYs for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, Cardano, Theta, that's a really big red flag. Okay, don't just it's not financial advice, but just don't put your cryptocurrencies in a centralized exchange if you're looking to hold. Okay, it is not bad to deposit your cryptocurrencies into centralized exchanges, but make sure if you're gonna deposit crypto, you're trying to attempt to sell or convert, okay? Because it's just there's almost no point to having so much of your money and also cryptocurrencies in your centralized exchanges. It's very risky, and this is why, especially on high APY companies, high APY cryptocurrency companies. That's the biggest red flag ever. Okay, so guys, the next one, I'm seeing very likely of this happening. I'm gonna show you guys the next cryptocurrency exchange, which I'm personally expecting based on the patterns I'm seeing. This is the next one, guys. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Netso. Netso is the next cryptocurrency exchange platform which I'm seeing having a bankruptcy or a devastating crash on that crypto, because this is almost the same thing. This is the same thing. Celsius, Voyager, FTX, and BlockFi. Look at this. Netso APY. Look at this, guys. So this would be the APR for Netso. Look at this. 12% APR on Tether, 8% Chainlink, 8% Solana, 8% Bitcoin, 8% Ethereum, 8% Binance, BNB. And it's just, look, I'm just basing this decision mostly because of the patterns. In summary, almost every single big crypto exchange which offers high APY on very good cryptocurrencies usually leads up into bankruptcy. The same thing with Celsius, like I said before, the same with Voyager, the same with FTX, the same with BlockFi. So Netso, it's the next one. I had to do it, guys. It's the next one that's very likely it's going to collapse, because it's just you can't sustain this much of an APR. And I get it. This snapshot was most likely from months ago, but the same remains. They're still offering high APY, like around 10% from the last time I saw the APYs right here. So I'm gonna show you guys here the APY on the nets. That's nice. Look at this, guys. So Netso. Okay, so this was 2020. Let's see here, the most updated one. Let's see here. So this is supposed to be the updated one. Let's see here. They're not okay. So here, so they're showing you that right now 7% for Bitcoin. As I mentioned before, they're almost the same. Solana 8%, Cardano 8%, XRP 8%, 7% for Chainlink, and the BNB 8%. The difference will be 1%, either to the downside or to the upside, or both. So personally, I'm expecting Netso to collapse, because if this is not sustainable. From what I'm seeing here, this will be the APY for this. Let's see here. Supported assets rates. The interest you earn depends on the asset and the amount of Netso tokens you hold in your wallets. When more than 10% of your portfolio is in Netso tokens, you earn our highest rates. So right now, guys, even if you have 10% of Netso tokens in your portfolio, this is so much of an APY. This is almost the same thing. Like there's almost no difference. The big difference is that Netso is not right now, hasn't collapsed. That's one difference. But eventually, personally, I'm expecting Netso to collapse. It's obvious. Celsius, Voyager, FTX, BlockFi. It's just you can't cryptocurrencies, like for example Bitcoin, Chainlink, Ethereum, Cardano. Those are cryptocurrencies that make huge gains, And on top of that, you want to offer a non an APY which is not sustainable for more gains, supposedly for those assets where they're obvious they're gonna increase in its price from the previous videos I already explained before. So this is a big red flag, like I mentioned before. You have to watch it out. My recommendation, if you're using Netso, get most of your cryptocurrencies out of there and put them in a custodial wallet on your behalf. Because if you don't do that, dang, yeah, it's very likely. It's just there's almost no way. According to the patterns right here, and yes, they can bedazzle you with, oh, it's okay, nothing's nothing's wrong. 7% APY on Bitcoin, yes, that's totally sustainable, especially in the bear markets right now with the interest rates on 4% for the Federal Reserve. Oh yeah, yeah. Personally, since Bitcoin has more downside to go, one of those narratives would be, I would say right now, maybe most likely they will use the Netso narrative also to try to push that selling pressure for the Bitcoin price to scare a lot of people, which doesn't know about this stuff. So, or cryptocurrency in general, because most people don't know about cryptocurrencies. They may heard of it, seen it, but they truly don't know what it truly stands for and what are their use cases. That's what most people are in right now. So yeah, guys, in summary, Netso, in my opinion, remember, in my opinion, from what I'm seeing here in the patterns, I'm expecting Netso to collapse, okay? If it doesn't collapse, that would be very interesting, okay? But dang, it's inevitable at this point. It's gonna collapse, in my opinion, and it's gonna meet the same fate as Celsius, Voyager, FTX, and BlockFi. Very important. It's very important, guys. Learn about, if you don't have a Ledger Nano S or your own hardware wallet or your cold wallet, just learn about them and do it, because if not, you're taking a big risk on losing your cryptocurrencies on these exchanges, which they do not have that much clarity, because of the regulation, which that is on purpose by the United States government and so on. And just that's another subject for for another time if I want to. So yeah, guys, I wanted to show you this because it's very hard when you work so hard for your money and you get to invest in cryptocurrencies and then you get to lose them, not by panic selling, but by companies that are being irresponsible, using your cryptocurrencies, lending it out to other big institutions and companies to make that APY, which is risky, especially in these times, which most people don't know what what they're doing. So you have to watch out and make sure that you have most of your holdings on your custodial hardware wallets, cold wallets. It's just very important, guys. That's my recommendation. Netso is next. It's the collapse, most likely. That's my opinion. And yeah, guys, I wanted to just speak about this because it's a very fundamental and very important thing. It's like the basics of crypto. Not your keys, not your wallet. That's like typical. Most of the cryptocurrency users use. It's just not your keys, not your crypto. Not most crypto users. People who truly know about crypto, most of them, they say this a lot. So, and I'm saying it a lot. So right now, so not your keys, yeah, not your crypto. So, so yeah, guys, that would be it for today's YouTube video. If you enjoyed this YouTube video, guys, leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And also click the bell notifications to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my Bitcoin cryptocurrency videos and also cryptocurrency technical analysis videos. So, and also share this with cryptocurrency friends, people who are attempting to learn new more things about cryptocurrencies, this will be a very good video for them, and I would really appreciate if you can share them with them. Thank you so much for the support, guys, and keep being awesome. Be grateful as much as you can almost every single time. And also, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite, a VIP crypto investor membership, where you can get an immediate short-term buy opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities, live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty in the short term and in the long term. Also live updates, my buying targets, my selling targets. And thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.